2-bed, 2-bath, 1,421 square feet, 1,125 Q Street, apartment 1702, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68508. Welcome to unit number 1702 at the Lyde Place, a luxurious high-rise condo offering breathtaking views from oversized floor-to-ceiling windows in virtually every room. Experience the perfect blend of casual luxury and downtown urban living, transforming your lifestyle. This never-been-lived-in 1,421 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit features stunning views of the football stadium, UNL campus, Pinnacle Bank Arena, Oak Park, and beyond. Sophisticated finishes adorn the open floor plan, which seamlessly connects the kitchen and living areas to the spacious primary suite. The second bedroom, which could be an ideal den or office, also has access to a large hall bath. Located in the heart of Lincoln's vibrant downtown, Lyde Place offers unparalleled convenience with a variety of dining and shopping options, as well as being one of the few residential condo buildings with direct access to reserved covered parking. Parking is available in city-managed K Place for an additional fee outside of Lyde HOA dues.